The sweet treat for your eyes. Understanding eye candy. Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel, English Language Pro. Today, we're diving into a flavorful phrase that's as sweet to the eyes as candy is to the palate. Eye candy. Whether you're reading a book, watching a movie, or just browsing the internet, you might come across this term. It's not about food, though, I promise. Stick around as we explore what eye candy means and how you can use it to spice up your English conversations. Eye candy refers to visual appeal or something or someone that is visually attractive or pleasing to look at, but often without any intellectual or substantial value. Just as candy provides instant gratification but isn't nutritious, eye candy is delightful for the eyes but doesn't necessarily have depth or purpose beyond that. The phrase, eye candy, originates from the idea that certain things can be as appealing to the eyes as candy is to our taste buds. It's a relatively modern colloquialism that's become popular for describing people, images, or things that are strikingly attractive or stylish. Let's look at some examples to understand how eye candy is used. Movies and graphics. The special effects in that film were pure eye candy. People, the company hired models to stand at their booth for some eye candy. Products. The latest smartphone design is really eye candy with its sleek appearance. Use the term eye candy when you want to comment on the physical attractiveness of an object or person. It's perfect for casual conversation and is often used in a light-hearted manner. But remember, while it's a compliment to someone's looks or an object's design, it also implies a lack of substance, so use it carefully. Eye candy isn't just a phrase. It reflects a cultural trend towards valuing visual aesthetics and design. It's often discussed in terms of media and marketing, where appearance can significantly impact audience attraction and retention. That's a wrap on eye candy, folks. Now you know what it means when someone mentions this term and how you can use it in your daily language. Remember, the world is full of eye candy, but it's the substantial, nutritious meals that truly satisfy in the long run. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video adds some flavor to your English vocabulary. Until next time, keep learning and stay sweet on the inside and out.